Now that we have learned about how we will reach our server, and within the server how will we reach the application, let us start writing our first JSP page. So what I have open here is my NetBeans application, the NetBeans, and here I have created a new JSP page. So when I create a new JSP page, this is what NetBeans gives to me created in default. And let me now run this file and let us see what will happen. So when I run this file, I get hello world, and notice what do we have here. So we have localhost colon 8080. So what that means is that the server or the I am going to is localhost. Localhost stands for this local machine, and 8080 is the port we are using here. So we typically, for our testing purposes on our local machine, we configure it on port 8080. So which is what it is specified here. So localhost colon the port, and then we have run this JSP test1.jsp. Now let us modify our JSP. So the first thing let's do is let us modify the title. Let us say the title is first JSP page. And the other thing we want to modify here is that in the body, let us say welcome to Edufect. So we would modify it here. So in this H1 tag, which is a heading tag which will print in bold, we have changed our text message to welcome to Edufect, and the title we have changed to first JSP. Let us again run that, and now when we run it, what do we get? So the title is what is visible here. So we see first JSP page and we see welcome to Edufect. Now let us make some more changes here, and what do we want to show? We want to show what is the protocol that we are running here. So we will say request.get protocol. Now what we have put here, these tags are JSP tags. So whatever we are writing within this tags is Java code, and whatever we are writing outside these tags, like we had written here H1 welcome to Edufect, is HTML. So this is how JSP differentiates between HTML and JSP. So now I have fetched the protocol, and let us also say we want to figure out request.get server port. So the two things we want to figure out is the server, the protocol, and the port. And let me just put a BR or a break in between so that it comes on different lines. Now let me run this application again. So the moment we run it, and let me open my browser to check it. Now what do we get here? Welcome to Edufect, and now we have HTTP 1.1. So the protocol we are running is HTTP, and within HTTP we are running version 1.1, and as we had mentioned, we are running it on server 8080 because that's where we had sent the request. So this is running on server 8080. So now we have been able to successfully make our first JSP application and write JSP code. We modified HTML first, and then we inserted some JSP code and were able to run it.